Guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So I've seen another site that pays you just translating on Google. Wow, just translating on Google does earn massive money. You are just translating. So the name of this site is, I will not tell you that right now. So please, if you want to know more about this site I'm talking about, just translating, I know that some of you are looking for something like this online. So please just hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more. So let's go to this site. So the name of this site is peopleperhour.me. So this peopleperhour.me pays you just translating. So first you need to go to what? Translating. So you need to go to translating. So let's go there. Translator. So this is the translator here. So if you copy anything in this people.me, in this peopleperhour.com, if you copy it and paste it here, it will translate it for you. So you will just go to the site there and paste it. So let's go to the site that will pay us this money just translating. So that's search for peopleperhour.me, peopleperhour.com. So this peopleperhour.me, so let's go here, just come to this side. No, come to this side, what write and what translation. You just click here, just put what translation. If you click on that place, so this site pay you in what gig. They pay you in gig, so you can make any amount just what translating. You see, when you do this one, they will have to pay you in what $150, $15, $70, as much as possible. So when you do this, you are going to earn massive money. See, translate for English in just translating. You don't have to pay what $25. They just post it yesterday. So when you translate this, you are going to earn $25. So they pay you into your PayPal, any crypto you want to receive your money. So this site really pays. So thanks for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos.